Well, you don't want your dad's name mentioned, do you?
Well, I know my dad's name.
No?
So, 17th of May, still in lockdown with Lionel. So he's going to show us something that he's going to do with some tapes. Some old tapes that he's found on record. And my cat's playing with them at the moment.
Right, okay.
Go on then.
What you're seeing at the moment is I call him Riley. There's the cat looking fascinated at a very large, it's a 12-inch BBC Ampex professional tape. And if I pull it slowly, you might do something. He's quite fascinated with it. You can't quite understand what it is. Anyway, what it is, it's a professional tape, possibly from a recording studio. This could be 40 years old, could be 50 years old. And it's an Ampex, and actually the spool is a BASF, which commercial tape, as used by the BBC or recording studios. And the problem is, unless I don't own a ferrograph, I've got a collection of tape machines, but possibly would go on a ferrograph, which is a very large British machine, which would take a 12-inch. But all my machines are smaller. They go from 3-inch to 4-inch to 5-inch to 7-inch. And the largest spool that I use on, well, it was the standard in the trade when they were commercially made, it's on a 7. So I'm winding off the 12 onto a 7. It's as simple as that. Or it can only be done by hand. So here we go, there we go, it's on the spool. And I get my hand in order and I can go a bit faster, but it's going to take about half hour. And you see the tape moving, and the cat is still looking at that tape and wondering what the hell's going on. And if I pull it quickly, he's still there fascinated. He may give a grab at the tape in a minute. I don't know. Who knows what's in a cat's brain. But he appears to be totally fascinated. You'll be there for an hour, babes. Anyway, that's it. Boring. This is going to take, as you can see, because I'm winding on the off, and by the time we get out to the 7, we're going to reduce that by about half, I should imagine.
So we'll come back in half an hour.
All right then.
Okay.
We'll come back half hour next week.
Well, so Lionel's going to be doing that for a bit. So we'll pop back in 20 minutes. See how far you've got.
It's as fast as I can turn it.
Okay.